Yeah. So morning people. Just wanna say, bless up to everyone who tune in. Morning now we have to give my thanks for waking up. A lot of people now wake up this morning. So, you have to be grateful and things like that. So, guidance and protection on the road, make sure to pray. Everything give my thanks here. I'm out. This is something I understand, people. Imagine. Sun hot whole morning, right? Start out some business. Get ready. Say me I go school. On my way to school, this happened. One bag of rain. Where it come from? That I don't understand. Alright? Why it couldn't fall in the morning before me have school? Why it have to wait till me I go school? Then heavy rain come down. And me for go walk out night now and get wet before me even reach the classroom. Cause them rain and them a storm rain is So I don't understand why all of a sudden it just come down. It's like today. I'm just not for go learn today. But here I can try run out of the car and say best me can reach him without getting wet. So you go Florida weather. Weird place. Alright people, this is my friend Nikki and this is me. So Nikki pretty much beat up a girl yesterday. Let me show you. She beat up a girl.
Punch her in her face. That was not from that. Calm down.
She have a gash on her
hand. So the photo
bomb. I got very sleepy friend over here.
So I'm at school. She's telling me her story. She beat up somebody over the weekend. You see, white girls, all them bad, and then them pretend like them nice. But yeah, she frost out the girl and I brag about it down at school. So yeah. I put her in the vlog pretty much so they know not all white girls are coward. Them can actually fight. Right, Nikki?
Mm-hmm. It's called Southern Girls Can Fight.
Alright, so that's one for the vlog. Later people. People will just roll in. I pretty much grab a Gatorade there now. Then roll go play some tennis. Now I only play tennis like a few days of the week, so I'm getting some exercise, some big old, big belly. Grab one of them Gatorade and I want and probably grab a snack or something. Buy one of them. And then roll out, go play some tennis. Tennis is right up the road still, but yeah. That's daily routine that playing tennis. Getting the exercise in and all that, so yeah, let's throw this on the vlog as well. Hopefully we can get ready to everything up and running and just, throw a video upon it. Hopefully like it still, my life now, not that fancy. But yeah, I do what I can for, enjoy myself same way. So yeah, count up the little shilling them I have and things like that. And then me roll out and go up there. But yeah, man, hopefully we can finish up my project and then show it out and send to everybody and thing. But yeah, man, if shame on my face, but you hear them a grow back. But yeah, all people get a rip on them. Run it. Wait, question. And that's why everybody hype over groceries, something like that.
Girl wasn't supposed to text me. You wanna know how I know what I know? Y'all chick come close to me. She ain't going home when she supposed to be.
And everybody say everybody attracts themselves, madam.
You get money like a boss to pay. All my close to me. And all the money the boy they supposed to pay. Go for me. And you chicks in the pig like close to me. That's how I'm supposed to pay. That's how I'm supposed to pay. Everything good, I'm supposed to be. Got your girl in my section finna go up. Smoking loud, about to roll up. She ain't never got high like this with a guy like this. When she pop it, tell her hold up. Better believe she gon' leave with a real. Put it down like I do. I get the bustin', no discussion, gotta deal with it. Team, I swing, where about you? She roll. When I hit it, I'ma kill it, I'ma kill it like she roll. You wanna know how I know what I know?
If y'all do come close to me, he gon' wanna ride off and it goes to me. I might let your boy show for me, but he gotta like groceries, but he gotta get rid of these to me.
No grocery, no, hold on. No grocery. People, listen to me. See, me never know what she does say at first. We look at them bleep it out. Man no eat booty like no grocery. Or no booty like no grocery. You hear me say? No, inna them eating thing there, you see me? So no cut it out. No groceries. Roll out now, cause that girl is wrong about her grocery eating. People, for the vlog, no eating like no grocery. Alright? Alright people, that was the first vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, really like the support. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. I'm crazy already, so enough respect for all the person who watch the video, like it, leave comments or anything like that. So thanks again. Look out for more. I'll try to be consistent and just throw up as much video as possible. Hope and enjoy it, and you can look forward to more crazy stuff. So thanks a lot people. I'm out. Like, subscribe and share right down there, so